Reyes. Shout out sa 75,000 viewers natin dyan. Share nyo lang po ang ating live. Again, it's the tune-up game of the Mindoro Tamaros versus the Letran Knights. First quarter. Got good shot by Gamad. It's good. Good shot by RJ Ramirez. 6 minutes left. It's 8-8. Shot by Gamad again. Oh, it's another shot. It's good. The 3-point shot. Bong Bacchus. Gamad. Oh. Score again. Ambam Gamalinda. Oh. Gamad for 3. Score. Narvaez. Narvaez 3. Basket. Sure ball tong batang to. Grabe yung batang to. By Gamad. Ramirez. Lamang tayo ng dalawa. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Bola ng Letran Knights. Estrada. Estrada to Narvaez. Narvaez to Tapeño. Tapeño jumper. No good. Rebound by Gamad. Gamad na jumper. Sure ball talaga tong batang to. Gamad. 8 minutes remaining on the fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na po. Gamad on a 3. Basket by Gamad. Grabe yung batang to. Iba yung kamay na itong batang to. Ramirez. Lamang po ang letra ng isa. Narvaez. Pass to Gamad. Gamad again. Grabe. Sabi ko na grabe yung kamay nito. Gamad. Back to back basket by Gamad. Parehas 3 points ang binitawan niya. 84 games at players ng Mindoro. Abangan niyo po. Narvaez to Gamad. Grabe yung batang ito. Shooter talaga itong Gamad. The score is 89-86. Lamang ang Letran ng isa. Narvaez. 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 Drive. Pass to Gamad on the corner. It's good. Grabe talagang Gamad na yun. Grabe yung batang yun talaga. RJ Ramirez lamang ng 4 na ngayon ang Letran. 2 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. Narvaez. Ayan. 20 seconds remaining on the fourth quarter. Gamad on the 3. Basket. Grabe itong batang to. So the score, 10 seconds remaining. Foul. 11-point lead.